Hi there, David Aarons again live for BizWorld.org, and we've got now Chairman of BizWorld.org, Hale Boggs, joining us. Welcome, thank you.
Thanks, David.
So tell us a little bit about your journey with BizWorld.org as Chairman. Where has it come from and where is it going in terms of entrepreneurial education?
Yeah, so my journey's been a long one with BizWorld. I'm an attorney. I've worked with Tim Draper, the initial founder of BizWorld, for many, many years. And back in 1997, almost 20 years ago, helped him actually form the organization, set it up as a 501c3 nonprofit. Was always interested in and inspired by the idea of teaching kids about entrepreneurship and fundamentals of business. And back then it was just in a couple of classrooms down in the peninsula. Now it's in 40 plus countries in every state in the United States.
Which is amazing. Yes,
it's pretty cool.
Yeah, the expansion is something else. So what is maybe one or two tips you could give to budding entrepreneurs? What must they know to survive in this business climate today?
Well, I'd say one thing that they're going to hear a lot is no, and they can't be discouraged by that. I think every successful entrepreneur, will tell you that they only got to where they are because they were able to hear the no's and get past it and come back again and again until they finally heard yes.
Right.
And I think that perseverance and consistency is really important.
And now you're coming from also a law firm, so you're an attorney. So for our audience members out there, not that you're doling out legal advice today, live on Facebook, I'll remind you, but is there sort of a legal perspective that you would also give sort of interested entrepreneurs? What do they need to just be on the lookout for other than the dreaded no?
Well, I think legally there are some things that have to happen to be a successful business. At some point you would need to engage an attorney to help you through the paperwork. Oftentimes you want to have an idea protected that you've come up with, so you may need some help with filing a patent or protecting some intellectual property that you've created. It sounds kind of complicated. It's really not. If you get a good lawyer, they should be able to explain it to you easily. And they often want to help their clients succeed and maybe share in that.
Right, and maybe even a trademark or two.
Trademarks are really important also.
Yeah,
Absolutely.
Exactly. Well, very good. Well, we are thrilled that you're here again for this Riskmaster Luncheon 13th annual.
Amazing that 13 of these.
It is amazing, 13, right? So what's next? What's next for the organization?
Well, next year we will be in our 20th year, so we have some special things ahead. I can't tell you about them yet because they're going to be a surprise, but looking for some big things out of BizWorld next year.
A very exciting time. So thank you again, Hale. Really appreciate the time live on Facebook, and good luck in the 20th year next year. We'll be back.
Thanks, David. Appreciate it. Take care.